Hey Pink Squad, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. So today we are doing a really exciting video if my cat stops scratching her chair. Thank you, cat. So today we are doing an exciting video. This is the most exciting video I have waited to do. Cat! Stop it. Okay, so I've been waiting a whole bunch of time to show y'all this video, and I was supposed to record this yesterday, the 13th. Today it's the 14th. It is Valentine's Day, and what better way to do this video than today instead of tomorrow or after tomorrow. I wasn't supposed to record this yesterday, but it arrived late. This came all the way from Brownsville, Texas, which is close to the border. It's just the Rio Grande River just cutting them off, and it almost came from the other side of the border. So yeah, we're recording this video today. This is my 2019 goal. Like, this was my main goal, and if y'all follow me on Snapchat, and if you've been following me for a good while, I posted on Snapchat since last year. I think it was around October, November, that I told y'all, guys, this is my dream vanity. This is what I want. This is my new goal. I swear, like, I was like, yes, I will do whatever it takes to make my dream come true, because we just started the year, and I already achieved my goal. This is my main goal. This is what I was dreaming of, and this is my dream vanity, guys. I'm excited to show it to y'all. The pricing was super cheap. This is a dupe for the Impressions vanity, which is almost $1,200. Now, I was going to purchase the Impressions vanity, but that was going to take me 2 months, at least 2 months, month and a half, to get the $1,200 together, because your girl has bills and she can't stop, buying makeup. So yeah, this is a dupe for the Impressions vanity. If you're located here in Houston, Dallas, San Antonio, I believe San Antonio, I'm not sure about San Antonio, but I know they deliver to Dallas, McAllen, Texas, Brownsville, Texas, what's it called, the other one, not El Paso, it's Laredo, Texas. I know that's the only place to deliver to. Other than that, they don't deliver past Houston and Dallas and all that stuff. They don't ship to Austin that I know of, so that's another one. But yeah, I did place this order with them. It was supposed to arrive on the 16th, but it arrived before. But other than that, I'm really excited to show y'all. This is handmade. This is made from real wood, so I'm excited about that. So yeah, let's go ahead and show y'all around my dream vanity, and I'm so excited, guys. Oh my god, man, y'all don't even believe how freaking excited and proud of myself I am. I worked so hard to get this vanity, and here it is. And there's more to come for my beauty room. There's more upgrades coming next month, so be on the lookout for that, for another beauty room tour. But let me go ahead and show y'all my vanity, because y'all are tired of me rambling. So let me go ahead and show y'all. It has the glass top right here. Right here, I am waiting for my Shop Miss A order, because I have something that I had to put in here. I ordered a big quantity, so I'm waiting for it to arrive. So that will be in this drawer, and on this drawer right here, I just placed like my favorite palettes. So the Modern Renaissance is not one of my favorites, so that's one thing. The Francation, Jeffree Star, like gold, pinkish colors. I really want gold to stand out on my vanity. So the drawers, they're not, let me just say, they're not deep. Let me go ahead and show y'all. They're not deep at all, guys. Like, this one right here, Like, I could barely place a, you know, a highlighter like that. They're not deep. They're not, you know, too back enough. I mean, that's fine with me. The drawers right here, these, as y'all can see, they're not that big. I don't know if y'all can see that. They're not that big as, like, you know, like that, but they're really, really deep. I do have all my, whatchamacallit, my foundations. So I don't even know what to place. But as y'all can see, I have my James Charles palette there. So those are like my favorite palettes are going to go down there. I don't know why I put it there. I shouldn't have put it up here. Like I said, it is made from real wood. No cheap wood or whatever. I don't know if y'all can see like that little edging. This is made from real wood. So that's what I like. I don't like that fake wood and everything that's, you know, not sturdy, because the Michaels drawers that I have were not sturdy at all, like whatsoever. It's better to invest in IKEA drawers if y'all thinking about that. So yeah, this is how it looks like. The mirror, if y'all follow me on Snapchat, I told y'all the length of this thing. Oh my god, it is long as my futon over here. As y'all can see, my mirror was as long as my futon. I think it's as big as my futon. So yeah, that's how long it was. I posted a picture on Snapchat and like a little snap. I told y'all that like my mirror, it was, you know, that long. I know the height of the mirror is as tall as my vanity, because my vanity, it is 32 inches tall. So the mirror itself is also 32 inches tall. I don't remember how long it is, but I know my mirror, it is super duper huge. Like, it is big. Other than that, I did place my old vanity this way. As y'all, if y'all been following me for a good while, this is my chair, my vanity chair. So if y'all been following me for a good while, y'all know that I have this as my second vanity. I do have a third vanity, but I moved that one to my bedroom so my husband can use it over there for his little game thing majiggies. So he uses that. The TV, that is brand new. Some of y'all that have been following me on social media, I have been posting so much about the TV because I need to find a cord and I already bought it. So that is going to be my monitor. That's a TV that my boss gave me. Thank you so much to my boss. So that's going to be like my little office desk from now on. Keep my laptop and everything. So I did order the cord that goes to my MacBook to use it as a, you know, as use my TV as a monitor. From here it looks small, but guys, trust me, this thing is huge. So it is heavy and I feel like I'm scared that it's gonna break my desk in half for some reason, because it's pretty big and heavy. But I'm gonna start editing on my MacBook and try to use everything, you know, as my monitor, as my editor. I'm gonna try to use everything with the big screen because it's better than my phone or my MacBook. So that's gonna be like my little chill spot. My boss did give me a DVD player also, so I can watch movies that he gave me. So yeah, I'm gonna be spending more time in my beauty room, and there's, like I said, there's more upgrading to do. But if you're planning to get the Michaels drawers, trust me, they're not worth it at all. I mean, yeah, if you have a small collection, that's fine. But once you start adding so much weight to the drawers, they don't hold as the Alex drawers hold, because I have a 9 drawer. And yeah, those, it's like you do not want to put so much weight to them, because then they start falling apart. So that's why I upgraded to my dream vanity also. But also I needed a second, you know, desk for my stuff, because sometimes my camera, my MacBook will just be running around all over the place. So besides that, that's actually like a second vanity, but I'm using it as office desk. But coming back to my vanity itself, this is pretty much it. Like I said, the top 3 drawers, I'm gonna just use it for the core or just makeup in general. I wanted to order all the Kylie Cosmetics blushes and highlighters, but since I spent so much money on this, I couldn't place my order, but I will placing my order maybe next month. So I hope they have it, and I wanted to display them all here for her new blushes and highlighters because it's a pink packaging. But besides that, like I said, I'm still waiting for a Shop Miss A order that's going to go right here. I'm not even sure if it's going to be enough for the drawers. I forgot to show you, I do have one plug and that switch. With the switch is just to turn them on, turn them off, and just the, you know, the thing either to charge my phone, my ring light, or whatever, and just this to turn it off, and their logo is there. And yeah, this is, I forgot to show y'all that little part. Even the mirror itself is way more big than the Impressions Vanity mirror. I was going to get the Bluetooth one. I'm still thinking about it, but what's the whole point? Because this one is more big than the Impressions Vanity mirror. So I mean, might as well stay with it. They were charging me $800 just for the mirror. Another vanity place that, well, not a vanity place that, but they only do mirrors. And they were charging me $800 for this mirror. That's nuts. Normally this runs around $300, $400. Just the mirror. That's almost what I paid for the whole thing. But besides that, that is pretty much it. I thought this video was going to be a little bit longer to record, and I'm out of breath, but I'll be doing a Shop Miss A haul soon for y'all. That I already told y'all that I was going to do one, so that's the whole reason I made my Shop Miss A order, was for this is the whole reason I'm still here. So yeah guys, that's pretty much, and I'll go ahead and see y'all on the next one. Bye guys.